Hello everyone. We have a question which says that the equation of a curve is y is equals to 2x square plus kx plus k minus 1 where k is a constant, and they have given us the value of k which is positive 2. The question says that express the equation of the curve in the form of 2 bracket x plus a whole square plus b, which is basically a completing square form where a and b are constant, and hence state the coordinates of the vertex. So basically we have to find the coordinates of the vertex, that means the stationary point, or you can also call it a turning point. So because they have given us the value of k which is positive 2, just place the value of k in the given equation, and after placing it simplify it, and we have the equation as 2x square plus 2x plus 1. We have to convert it into this form, which is 2 in the bracket x plus a whole square, and we can observe over here the coefficient of x inside the bracket is positive 1. That means in order to make this 1, the coefficient of x square should also be 1. For that we are going to take the 2 as a common, so that in the bracket this x square should have a coefficient 1. So we have taken 2 as a common from x square and x, and the plus 1 is outside the bracket. And you can also see it also said that 2 should be over here, and because we have taken 2 as a common, so definitely it is there. So now x square has a coefficient of 1. The next step is that whatever is the coefficient of x which is positive 1, just divide that by 2 and then square it. Whatever you get, like we have got 1 upon 4, just add it and subtract it inside the bracket, like we have done, adding 1 upon 4 and subtracting 1 upon 4. So whatever we have added, let it be inside the bracket, and whatever we have subtracted, just multiply that with 2 and let it move outside the bracket as we have done, multiplying this 2 with negative 1 upon 4, and after that simplifying this 2 times 1 upon 4, so it becomes minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 after simplification would be plus 1 upon 2. And now whatever is left in the bracket is basically a perfect square. That means this x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 is 100% equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. That means this can be converted to a perfect square form by x plus 1 upon 2 whole square, because x square from here, the value of a according to the formula is x, and from here which is 1 upon 4, which is basically representing b square, so the value of b according to the formula over here is 1 upon 2. So finally this x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 can be converted to x plus 1 upon 2 with a square plus 1 upon 2, which is basically the requirement of the question. The second part of the question was to find the vertex. Vertex means the stationary point, the minimum point or the maximum point, or we could also say that the turning point. So whatever is there with x inside the bracket is basically the x coordinate of the vertex, and whatever is outside is basically the y coordinate of the vertex. So if this particular inside the bracket, which is the x coordinate of the vertex, if it is positive, then the x coordinate of the vertex will be negative, and if this is negative, then this would be positive. That means minus 1 upon 2 is the x coordinate of the vertex, means the stationary point or the turning point, and the y coordinate is positive 1 upon 2. So finally we are also done with the vertex which was asked in the question.